Alright, this is a 99 Camry. Customers had problems where the mode does not change whatsoever. It is stuck on face. No matter what you switch it to, it will not move. So I diagnosed it as a blend door motor. That little fella there. Of course, you got to take all that off there. Got a Phillips head screw there. A 10mm that's going to be there. Remove that and it just pops right out. Just little clips. And you'll have a metal bracket. I took that out for more room here. That's held in by 10mm over here, right there, and you'll have one right there. I believe it's set to take this panel off, but I was able to push it just enough to get to it. So the part, at least for this vehicle here, depending what you're wanting to replace, you got your new motor, part number for the motor, 871-06-06060. So that's for the motor. I ended up getting this part here and a little arm, because I don't know how as old as this vehicle is, something's going to break on me. This is for the little damper plate, this part here. That is the part number here. The last number is 06010. A little lever arm is that part number there. So what you want to do, of course, gotta remove him first. There's going to be a little tab here. Get like a little flat blade screwdriver, try to push down on that tab and slide it out. Let's see if I can get the new motor. Don't know how well you can see it, but there's going to be a little groove right there that it locks itself into. So you'll have to pull that tab away from that, then it can slide right out. I already got him out of there. Then you have to remove the arm that's closest to me, which of course is held in by Phillips head. And I believe I can move him manually, I'll find out, to get to the other screw. So you got a screw down there, and a screw up there, and I believe you got one that's hiding right behind there. So I was able to move those little white things out of the way to access those screws. So you just got 3 screws to remove. Alright, out goes the old one. I had to get to it with this little stubby Phillips head screw, and basically vice versa. So of course the connector is on the bottom, so it's going to mount just like that. A screw's going to be there, a screw's going to be there, a screw's going to be down there. That little ear will not be used. Alright, so I got the new one bolted on. Now you're ready to put him, this little guy, back into place. So that little gear thing, that's going to face just like that. Like I said, it is keyed, so it will only fit in one way. So the flat part of the blend door motor, which I believe mine's facing down, will fit just like that. Push it in until it locks in. But first, make sure your little nubs, let's see if I can get you up there. The little metal rods on those two are lined up inside of these little shaft parts. Alrighty, so I got them back in place. Well, you can see that, but let's see if it will work. So that's defroster. That's back to the face. So hopefully that helps you out.